The sky has always been humanity's ultimate battlefield, a place where speed, stealth, and strategy decide the fate of nations. For generations, fighter jets have symbolized power, from the screaming engines of the F-15 Eagle to the whispering invisibility of the F-22 Raptor. Air superiority has always belonged to those who could strike unseen. But now, a new era has dawned, one that no longer depends solely on the courage of pilots. It is the era of the drone. Once small, unarmed machines circling above deserts and mountains, drones have evolved into autonomous hunters, intelligent, fearless, and increasingly lethal. The question today isn't whether drones can fight alongside stealth jets. The question is whether they will one day replace them entirely. This is the ultimate showdown. Drones versus stealth fighters, man versus machine. Intuition versus algorithm, legacy versus the future. In the late 1980s, the world was stunned when the United States revealed something that looked more like a spacecraft than an airplane, the F-117 Nighthawk. Its sharp angles, black surfaces, and ghost-like radar signature changed warfare forever. For the first time, invisibility was a weapon. Then came the F-22 Raptor, faster, smarter, more lethal than anything before it. The Raptor wasn't just a fighter, it was a predator that could track its prey without being seen. Its engines could thrust vector in midair, its radar could see hundreds of miles, and its pilot sat at the center of a digital ecosystem of sensors and weapons. It was, and still is, one of the most advanced war machines ever built. Then the F-35 Lightning II arrived, bringing something even more revolutionary: connection. The F-35 could link with ships, satellites, and other aircraft, sharing data instantly, seeing what others could not. It wasn't just stealthy, it was aware. The cost, however, was staggering, around $80 million per jet, and billions more in maintenance and support. Every hour it flew cost tens of thousands of dollars. But nations paid, because stealth meant survival. That dominance is now being challenged, not by another stealth jet, but by swarms of drones. What began as reconnaissance has become revolution. Machines like the MQ-9 Reaper can fly for more than 24 hours, carry missiles, and strike targets with pinpoint accuracy. The Bayraktar TB2 from Turkey has already changed wars in Ukraine and the Middle East, proving that small, cheap drones can destroy tanks, artillery, even air defenses. China's Wing-Long drones patrol skies across Asia and Africa, and America's experimental XQ-58 Valkyrie is rewriting the rules, a stealthy, supersonic companion designed to fly alongside fighters like the F-35, following commands, reacting to threats, even making decisions on its own. This shift represents something deeper than just technology, it's a change in philosophy. For decades, air power meant human pilots at the controls, trusting their instincts, feeling the G-forces, making life and death decisions. But a drone has no heartbeat, no fear, no hesitation. It doesn't panic when missiles lock on or flinch when the sky burns. It executes, perfectly, relentlessly. Yet, that perfection comes with risk. Artificial intelligence, no matter how advanced, sees only what it's programmed to see. It can misread patterns, mistake a shadow for a target, or be deceived by electronic warfare. Human pilots, with all their flaws, still possess intuition, that mysterious sense that something isn't right, that sixth sense that no code can replicate. And that's why the future of warfare may not be a choice between man and machine, but a union of both. The emerging concept known as the loyal wingman program is changing everything. Imagine a formation of stealth fighters soaring high above the clouds, each one followed by a small fleet of AI-driven drones. These drones scout ahead, jam enemy radar, carry extra weapons, and even sacrifice themselves to protect their leader. This is already happening. The XQ-58 Valkyrie has flown missions alongside the F-35. Australia's MQ-28 Ghost Bat, built by Boeing, is the world's first combat drone designed to think for itself and fight beside humans. And the United States' secretive F-47 NGAD, the next-generation stealth fighter, will reportedly control multiple drone squadrons in real time. These jets will no longer be lone hunters. They'll be commanders, digital generals leading mechanical warriors. Picture this. The year is 2035. Over the Pacific Ocean, lightning flashes through rolling clouds. On one side, 3 F-47 NGAD stealth fighters, invisible to radar, running silent. On the other, a swarm of 100 AI-controlled drones, each the size of a small aircraft. Guided by a central neural network, the drones move like a school of fish, constantly changing formation, adapting to every move of their enemy. The F-47s glide silently, their radar off, relying on quantum sensors and encrypted links. Then, suddenly, the swarm detects movement, a heat signature, a faint echo, and unleashes missiles into the night. But what they hit isn't a jet, it's a decoy flare. Within seconds, the F-47s counterstrike, deploying smaller sub-drones that jam the swarm's communication channels. The digital war begins, AI against AI, code versus code.
Execute plan
High
Alpha.
above, one F-47 fires a hypersonic air-to-air missile, slicing through the sky at 5 times the speed of sound. It destroys the swarm's central command unit, and for a moment, the drones falter, but the AI adapts. The swarm splits into smaller groups, surrounding the fighters from all sides. Inside the cockpit, the pilot switches to AI assist combat mode. The computer calculates every angle, every trajectory, while the human decides when to strike. Laser weapons pulse from the F-47's wings, burning through drones like fire through paper. Explosions bloom across the clouds, blue, white, orange, a chaotic ballet of light and death. When it's over, the sky is silent. Hundreds of drones fall into the sea, smoking wreckage trailing behind them. But one stealth fighter is gone, taken out by a suicide drone that rammed into its fuselage at supersonic speed. Victory, but not without cost. The message is clear. Even the most advanced stealth jet can be outnumbered, overwhelmed, or outthought by a collective machine mind. Beyond the tactics and the hardware lies a moral question that humanity has never truly faced. If machines can decide who to kill, where does accountability lie? When a drone, powered by an algorithm, makes a lethal mistake, who is responsible? The coder, the commander, or the code itself? Nations are already debating these questions behind closed doors. The race to develop autonomous weapons is as much about ethics as it is about engineering. At the same time, economics plays its own brutal role. Every hour of flight for an F-22 costs around $85,000. Its stealth coding requires constant care. Drones, meanwhile, can be built in factories by the dozens. For a fraction of the cost, they can be sacrificed without hesitation. In future wars, quantity may matter as much as quality. 100 smart, cheap drones could challenge one perfect jet. That's the terrifying balance of the new age. And yet, the most advanced stealth fighters are evolving too. The 6th generation programs, America's NGAD, Europe's FCAS, Japan's F3, are being
AI
built not just as aircraft
online.
but as digital command centers. They will feature AI co-pilots, adaptive engines that switch modes in flight, directed energy weapons that fire light instead of bullets, and quantum stealth materials that bend radar itself. They won't fight alone. Each jet will manage a swarm of drones, some carrying weapons, others gathering intelligence or creating decoys. The pilot will become less of a flyer and more of a battlefield conductor, orchestrating machines in a symphony of war. Drones, too, are transforming. Future models will operate as hive minds, learning and evolving together. Micro drones the size of birds will infiltrate cities. Massive ones will carry missiles or electronic warfare pods. The line between fighter and drone will blur completely. Some aircraft may even have optional cockpits, switching between manned and unmanned modes at will. So, who wins the showdown? Drones or stealth fighters? The truth is, neither. The future of the sky doesn't belong to one or the other, but to the partnership between them. Stealth fighters bring judgment, creativity, and human conscience. Drones bring endurance, numbers, and precision. Together, they create something unstoppable, a fusion of intelligence and automation, hard and hardware. In tomorrow's wars, the greatest air forces will be those that master this balance. Imagine F-47s commanding fleets of drones that sweep across continents, scanning, striking, protecting. Imagine drone swarms learning in real time from human pilots, then teaching those pilots new tactics through shared AI memory. The relationship will be symbiotic, a new form of teamwork between man and machine. And perhaps, someday, humans will no longer sit inside cockpits at all. Pilots will command from distant bunkers or floating skyships, watching through augmented reality feeds as their fleets fight autonomously. War will move faster than thought, measured not in minutes, but in milliseconds. The story of air combat has always been a story of evolution, from the fragile biplanes of World War I to the supersonic Cold War jets, to the radar-evading shadows of the stealth age. Now comes the next chapter, an era where AI takes flight,
intelligent fleet,
where drones think, learn, and fight beside humans. The ultimate showdown between drones and stealth fighters isn't just about machines. It's about what it means to be human in an age of intelligent war. Because in the end, the sky doesn't care who flies, man or machine. It rewards only one thing: mastery. And in the wars of the future, victory won't belong to the fastest jet or the smartest drone. It will belong to those who can think smarter, adapt faster, and unite both man and machine into one unstoppable force, the dawn of a truly hybrid sky.